Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Ahrefs projects and affiliate keyword research easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Ahrefs account. Navigate to the dashboard where your projects are listed. Select the project you want to backup. Click on the Overview tab to locate the export functionality, usually found in the upper right corner. Choose the format you prefer for your backup, such as CSV or PDF. Once selected, click the Export button. Wait for the download to complete, and save the file to your desired location. Next, repeat this process for any other projects you wish to back up. Now, let's move on to backing up your affiliate keyword research. Start by opening the Keyword Explorer tool in Ahrefs. Input the relevant keywords related to your affiliate products. Hit the search button to generate the keyword results. Once the results are displayed, look for the Export option. Select your preferred format for the export. Click the Export button to download the keyword research data. Save this file securely on your device. If you have multiple keyword sets, repeat the export process as needed. Finally, make sure to regularly back up your files for future reference. You can store them in cloud storage for easy access and security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.